Okay, good morning. Good morning to all of you. And I am Dr. Qamar Azam. I am professor and head of the Department of Trauma Surgery and head of Trauma Center, AIMS Rishikesh. AIMS Rishikesh is playing a great role in providing awareness to the community, and not only providing awareness but also treating COVID patients here. Our Honorable Director, AIMS Rishikesh, wanted to spread awareness as much as we can do. And I thanks to AFIFA Foundation who came forward to help us in our endeavor. There are a lot of things already happening, and you must be knowing many things, but again, to re-emphasize certain points, I want to deal with three important things. First of all, everybody should know that COVID is simply a viral infection. It's like a viral flu, and because this is a new infection with new strains of virus, its mortality and morbidity are slightly higher. But to fight any viral infection, the most important thing is that our immunity should be strong. If our immunity is strong, we are able to tide over the viral load easily. And to improve the immunity, what we need is some certain do's, and that involve, like, first of all, we should develop a sense of well-being. When we develop a sense of well-being daily, it releases certain hormones in our body which are very helpful to fight the infection. Other important things are to doing a breathing exercise, which involves yoga, which involves aerobic exercises like playing games or even cycling or brisk walking. Besides that, an adequate sleep and we should avoid unnecessary undue stress in our life. And at the same time, if we have some habits of taking tobacco, smoking or alcohol, we should abstain from them. If you do these things, our immunity improves, and that helps in fighting with the virus. Another important thing which I want to add here is that now the number of cases is increasing worldwide, and the same is true in our locality and our country. But we have to fight it with a good spirit. And you should know that majority of the patients or majority of the persons remain asymptomatic. Asymptomatic means that they don't have any obvious signs and symptoms of a disease, but then they are having infections. So it is important for us and for everybody, we know, and our society, that we follow the standard precautions, which involve using mask properly, washing our hands frequently and at least we should wash our hands with enough amount of soap for 30 seconds to 40 seconds. And also, if you want to touch a suspected patient, better to use gloves. Finally, if you come across a person who either have an active COVID positive test or who had suffered a COVID positive test, don't be panicky about it, because we know the mortality and morbidity is not very high. So we need to understand it so that we can convince the person in front of you, we can console him, and we should not hesitate from extending our helping hands. But at the same time, we should educate him again for the standard precautions which government keep on circulating, and also we should help them physically, and if they have some dependent persons, we should also take care of them. Thank you very much.